How to cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription. So now let's get started. First of all, log into your Epic Games account. Once you are logged in, click on the Battle Pass tab at the top of the page. Now scroll down to find the Fortnite Crew option. When you hover over it, you will see how many days are left in your current billing cycle. Now, click on Fortnite Crew. On this page, you will see all the members' benefits. At the bottom, there is a section labeled Cancellation Info. Click on it to read important details about your membership. It will inform you that your membership will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, and that you can keep any previous rewards. After reviewing this information, click on Cancel Subscription. Now you will see a message confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Again, to verify the cancellation, look for two indicators. First, there should be a button that says Rejoin Crew, confirming that you have cancelled. Second, you will see a message stating that your membership will become inactive on a specific date. So that's how you can confirm your cancellation of the Fortnite Crew subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.